Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 3 assessment for 2024 to 2025. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on.
To address AC 1.1, I will examine two major external influences from the PESTLE framework: technology and economy. Rapid technological advancements require organizations to adapt digital tools, impacting workflows and communication. Economic changes such as inflation can reduce customer purchasing power, altering budgets and sales targets. These influences can reshape long-term strategies, forcing leadership to adjust supply chains, pricing models, and HR policies. Real examples include the adoption of cloud-based HR systems for better efficiency or adjusting recruitment budgets during economic downturns. By linking these changes to business decisions, we demonstrate awareness of external forces shaping organizational performance. In CIPD Level 3 assessment writing, defining the scope early ensures clarity. All sections must align with the specific AC assessment criteria given. Strategic thinking requires considering the wider HR and business implications of your points. For example, discussing employee engagement should link to productivity and retention outcomes. Evidence-based writing strengthens your case, using case studies or industry data to validate arguments. This approach not only shows critical thinking, but also demonstrates an understanding of how HR strategies integrate with organizational goals. A well-structured assignment makes it easier for assessors to follow your arguments. Start with an introduction that outlines the purpose and context. Organize the body into clear sections using appropriate headings, ensuring each responds to a different AC. Integrate theory, practice, and analysis in each section. The conclusion should summarize your main points and reinforce how they meet the learning outcomes. Using a logical flow not only improves readability, but also shows your ability to communicate ideas professionally. Evidence and examples add depth to your CIPD assignment. Current research and HR best practices show you are aware of modern trends. Where possible, refer to CIPD guidelines or reports to strengthen credibility. Using real examples, either from your own experience or reputable sources, makes arguments relatable. Always link examples back to the specific AC being addressed, ensuring they are relevant. For instance, when discussing performance management, cite case studies where regular feedback improved team productivity. Presentation quality can influence your final grade. Proofread carefully for grammar and spelling errors, as these can undermine professionalism. Ensure all references follow the Harvard style as per CIPD requirements. Use a professional layout with consistent fonts, headings, and spacing. Where appropriate, include charts or diagrams to illustrate points. Before submission, review your work against the assessment criteria to ensure all points are covered. A polished, professional-looking assignment signals attention to detail and a commitment to excellence.